Chris Darden withdraws from People versus Holder case. Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Truly Camellia here again with another video for you guys with Truly Speaks TV. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the attorney that's representing the man accused of gunning down Nipsey Hussle is now resigning, okay, from the case. He's withdrawing himself from the case, okay. Now, in a Facebook post, all right, he let us know that he made the decision to withdraw from the case. And I'm going to show you guys that Facebook post. Check this out. All right, y'all. So this is Chris Darden's profile. And I'm not sure if this is a new profile or not, or if he's had this for a while. But this is his profile, and he made this case. He made this post earlier today. As you can see, he does live in Los Angeles and he's from Richmond, California. So let's take a look at this post that he said 3 hours ago. All right. So it says, "You guys have been awfully good to me and my family. Thank you. I am on my way to appear for the last time in People versus Holder. I filed a motion to withdraw from the case. I thought I should tell you, my friends, first and before anyone else. As my reasons for withdrawing, I don't know whether I will disclose them or not. I only know that as a lawyer, it is my duty to protect the rights of my clients, even in the face of threats of angry mobs. This is the silent, solemn oath we took as defense counsel. This is the legacy made for me and all of us who practice as defense counsel in the criminal courts. But allow me to say this. After centuries of a history of black men hung from trees without trial, or after thousands of cases of black men tried, convicted, and executed without counsel, after Gideon versus Wainwright and Powell versus Alabama, I cannot understand why in 2019 some people would deny a black man his Sixth Amendment right to console to his choice, or why defending such a man should invite threats not only against me but against my children too. The right to counsel is not only a constitutional right, it is a civil right as well. Just as they were in 1995, cowards never change. These days, these cowards don't send letters. Instead, they sit anonymously behind keyboards threatening a man's mother and children. And some folk think that is funny. It isn't, and I won't ever forget it. To those who issued those threats to my children, please pay close attention so there is no misunderstanding. Later, F you. As for me, I continue to thrive, I continue to be loved, I continue to walk with kings, and I will continue my pursuit of fairness and justice on behalf of my clients and changed, others charged with crimes after 25 years. Some of them still haven't learned. Their lies and threats will never deter me from my mission. Thank you again, my good friends. The struggle continues. Thank you again." And so this is what he had to say. This is, what's going on in his life. So y'all see from the man, Chris Darden, that he's withdrawing, and I'm glad that he did. I did take a look at some of the comments earlier, your girl did. And most of them, were pretty positive. It was most people just thanking him and just, sending him blessings. I think it's probably mostly his friends. So yeah. Now this, I do know this post is probably going to get around within the next day or so. It already has 106 shares, couple of likes. So there will be other people seeing this post. So again, he announced that he is withdrawing from the case. All right, so we do know that Darden was one of the prosecutors in the O.J. Simpson trial, in which the former football star was acquitted of the murders, of his ex-wife and her friend, Ron. But in the years since, Darden has worked as a defense attorney in murder cases. And when they asked him, why he took on the case of Eric Holder, a source says that Chris Darden said that he This is what he says. He said, I defend poor people. That's what I do. And he's definitely poor. And so I guess he was talking about, well, he was talking about Holder, saying that he was definitely poor. And so I don't think that was his only motive in defending this particular person. So I won't go there, but I am glad that he decided to step down from the case because it just was not looking good for him or his family. I know there was an Instagram. One of his daughters has an Instagram, and there were several threats, within the first day of him announcing that he was going to take this case. She had several threats and she had to also respond to people. So, it just wasn't looking good for him and his family, and I'm glad that he took the responsibility and said that he is not going to represent this person. He also said that 25 years within 25 years I've been defending criminal cases, so that's why he was interested. That's why he claims he was interested in taking this case. So I just pray, y'all, I really do pray that Nipsey Hussle's family does find justice. For Holder, I just think that he needs to rot in jail. That's just my personal opinion. Once they convict him, he needs to rot in jail. And that's pretty much all I have to say about him. Hopefully Darden, hopefully nothing crazy happens to his family or him. You feel that Chris Darden should have never taken this case, which I feel like he should have never taken this case? Or do y'all feel that, he had a right to take this case to help out his career, to try and help out Holder? But, ain't no hope for Holder. Again, Holder is poor. He ain't got no money. And he just gonna have to rot in jail. So hopefully, you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave me your comments. Let me know what you guys think about this whole situation. And for watching again, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel if you like these type of videos. And again, I'm going to give you guys an update because I'm pretty sure there's more that went on in the court and in the case. Hopefully there is video. I know last time there were problems. They had problems with film in there, so hopefully the film will be getting out and I'll be showing you guys all of that and what was said and what was done. So other than that, y'all have a wonderful day. I will see you guys in the next video, and remember to walk by faith and not by sight.